Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video we are doing Foodtech quiz number 32, topic cereal processing and products. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's number one online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Gluten proteins are rich in which amino acid? Options: A. Glutamine and proline, B. Lysine, C. Alanine, D. Tryptophan. Correct answer: A. Glutamine and proline. Question number 2. Masoor dal is the common name of? Options: A. Bengal gram, B. Green gram, C. Black gram, D. Lentil. Correct answer: D. Lentil. Question number 3. Commonly used fumigant in cereal grains. Options: A. Ethylene bromide, B. Ethylene chloride, C. Carbon tetrachloride, D. All of the options. Correct answer: D. All of the options. Question number 4. Oats are rich in bioactive component dash. Options: A. B. Glucan, B. Glutamic acid, C. B. Glucose, D. A. Amylase. Correct answer: A. Beta glucan. Question number 5. In which form phosphorus is present in cereals? Options: A. Phytic acid, B. Phosphoric acid, C. Phytin, D. None of the options. Correct answer: C. Phytin. Question number 6. Maize is low in dash mineral. Options: A. Potassium, B. Magnesium, C. Calcium, D. Phosphorus. Correct answer: C. Calcium. Question number 7. Lathairism is caused by? Options: A. Chickpea, B. Black gram, C. Kesari dal, D. All of the options. Correct answer: C. Kesari dal. Question number 8. Mucilaginous material of black gram is basically? Options: A. Glucarabine, B. Glucan, C. Galactorabine, D. Glycan. Correct answer: C. Galactorabine. Question number 9. Good quality idli could only be produced by black gram because of its? Options: A. Mucilaginous material, B. Protein content, C. Fat content, D. Low anti-nutritional factors. Correct answer: A. Mucilaginous material. Question number 10. Gliadins and glutenins are known as? Options: A. Gelatin, B. Gliadins, C. Glutenin, D. Gluten protein. Correct answer: D. Gluten protein. Question number 11. Moisture content of wheat grains is increased due to which of the following operations? Options: A. Milling, B. Tempering, C. Tempering and conditioning, D. Conditioning. Correct answer: C. Tempering and conditioning. Question number 12. ANF stands for? Options: A. Anti-nutrient factors, B. Anti-nutritional functions, C. Anti-nutrient functions, D. Anti-nutritional factors. Correct answer: D. Anti-nutritional factors. Question number 13. In corn, which of the following sugar is present? Options: A. Lactose, B. Maltose, C. Sucralose, D. Fructose. Correct answer: D. Fructose. Question number 14. Lower falling number indicates? dash amylase activity. Options A low, B high, C no effect, D none of the options. Correct answer B high. Question number 15. Lipids are mostly present in options A endosperm, B germ, C bran, D germ and bran. Correct answer D germ and bran. Question number 16. In India, mostly dash barley is used to produce malt for brewing. Options A 2 row, B 6 row, C 4 row, D 3 row. Correct answer B 6 row. Question number 17. Dash is principal protein of rice. Options A albumin, B globulin, C glutenin, D all of the options. Correct answer C glutenin. Question number 18. Cereal is generally deficient in dash amino acids. Options A cysteine, B methionine, C lysine, D all of the options. Correct answer C lysine. Question number 19. Bajra is also known as dash. Options A pearl millet, B finger millet, C triticale, D all of the options. Correct answer A pearl millet. Question number 20. In which unit alpha amylase activity is measured? Options A Sweetberg unit, B falling number, C amylase number, D none of the options. Correct answer B falling number. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala PSC for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs, containing questions from the important recent topics and mock test aimed at the upcoming exam. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use FootTech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. Ammonium bicarbonate has advantage over other leavening agents because options A no solid residue left behind, B its rate of CO2 release is faster, C its rate of CO2 release is lower, D it gives better taste. Correct answer A no solid residue left behind. Question number 22. Air oven method and Carl Fisher method are used to determine options A fat, B protein, C moisture, D minerals. Correct answer C moisture. Question number 23. Cereal is generally rich in dash amino acid. Options A aspartic acid, B lysine, C methionine, D gluten. Correct answer D gluten. Question number 24. Amylase rich food ARF is germinated cereal flours which are extremely rich in enzyme dash. Options A alpha amylase, B beta amylase, C D amylose, D all of the options. Correct answer A alpha amylase. Question number 25. Dash is not cereal crop. Options A lentil, B rice, C wheat, D sorghum. Correct answer A lentil. Question number 26. 90% of world area under rice cultivation is in options A South America, B Asia, C South Africa, D North America. Correct answer B Asia. Question number 27. Dash is the most nutritious byproduct of rice milling. Options A endosperm, B paddy, C germ layer, D bran. Correct answer D bran. Question number 28. Dash is soaking paddy in water for a short time followed by heating once or twice in steam and drying before milling. Options: A. Steaming, B. Parboiling, C. Poaching, D. Boiling. Correct answer B. Parboiling. Question number 29. A moisture content of less than dash is considered safe for the storage of cereals. Options: A. 20%, B. 10%, C. 14%, D. 1%. Correct answer C. 14%. Question number 30. Niacin is present mainly in options: A. Germ, B. Endosperm, C. Bran, D. Aleurone. Correct answer D. Aleurone. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a 30 days crash course for 10th level prelims from 2nd January. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.